Okay, so this is what I've learned recently. Usually when there's like gunk in this jar, I always thought like because of the acrylic, but what I've also learned recently is that if you heat up acrylic too hot, it can create all this gunk inside the acrylic. Like watch, let me show you. I didn't know that. I thought all these gunk was created by like all the monomers dropping in there, but what I've also learned is that if you heat up the powder too hot, the powder can be damaged also, and this is what it looks like.
Oh, I see.
That's crazy, right? The reason why I know it's not acrylic dripping in there because these little ball, like you can smash it, like you can smash it, you know. And if you smash it, it means look, it becomes very
Oh,
fine, and
yeah.
that's what heating up the acrylic does. It creates these little hard ball textures.
I didn't know that.
I just figured that out recently,
Wow. You learn something every day.
all the time.
I was wondering why you were taking that. I was like, what design
I
are you
had to
doing?
show that. That was important.